Hi, this is a quick overview of how you get your script from your portfolio onto the teleprompter. First of all, develop your scripts on the portfolio. It's a great place to put all your pre-production and shows the evidence of the work you did. Then you can highlight, copy it, and we'll paste it into a notepad file. You can access Notepad by typing Notepad in the prompter at the bottom left corner of your Windows 10 screen. A paste will get the text where it belongs, and then a file save as, so you can save it onto your P drive in a logical name and location. Once you've got that saved, you can go to our notes and find the teleprompter instructions. You should read them all, and then find the link to our Prompter Share Google Drive folder. Once you're there, go to the gear in your version of Chrome and change your settings. Check your settings to turn off Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs. Also double check the name of your file, make sure it starts with your last name first, and then you can simply drag and drop your file onto the Prompter Share folder. Now on the Android tablet, the first thing that we have to do is maybe hook up the remote control unit. A solid press on the power up button for about 5 seconds will get the little blue light blinking on the remote control. And then we have to slide down the control panel on the tablet and turn on Bluetooth and choose the appropriate remote control from the 3 that are offered. There's a pretty good chance that it will also prompt you to hit the pair button. Now we need to sync using DriveSync, that app in the top left corner. DriveSync will go find your file on the Google Drive and pull it down onto the local drive of the tablet. Once you see that it's done, you can close that app and then start up the simple teleprompter software. You look for the Create New Document button, and yep, you want to go and import the file. Look for the Download folder, and if you scroll through alphabetically, you should be able to find the script that you had loaded up there. Once it's loaded, you want to check the settings and make sure that they're set to a speed that's going to be appropriate. Scroll through the settings until you see the speed, probably about halfway through. And typically it should be set to about 4, 5, or 6. Go back and then save and start the script, and you'll see it start to scroll right away. But this is where the fob comes into play. The fob has various functions, first of which is pause and play by pressing the joystick down. To the right, it'll fast forward and advance, or to the left, it would rewind. Once things are working right, you can place the tablet inside of our $6 teleprompter, and now you've got full control. If you make a mistake when you're reading your script, it's okay. Just pause, rewind, and try again. You don't have to stop the camera. You got total control now? Give it a try for yourself. Good luck.